Okay, today I'm going to introduce a home water recycle system. It's very easy, very simple. Okay. This is a schematic, this is a chart, and you can tell that this is a water shower tub, and people take a shower, and this water, the red line is water, drain the water to the 55-gallon water tank. You can buy on the Craigslist about $20, and this is a plastic tank. And then install the valve here, and the water go to the water pump, and then water pump all the way up to the toilet and flush the toilet. That way you can recycle your shower water and to flushing the toilet. And there's another control system, control the water pump, electrical system to control the water pump on and off. So you can tell this green box is a control box. I will make a schematic for you later how to make a control box. Very easy. And you put a water level sensor in the water in the toilet. So there's a sensor in there inside the toilet. When the water full of the tank in the toilet, and the sensor send the signal to the control box, and control box shut off the power, electric power to water pump. When the water level low, when you flush in the toilet, and the water level is going low, and the sensor send a low signal to the control box, and control box turn on the power to the water pump, and water pump start working, pump the water from the tank to the toilet. Very easy. Okay, your shower water is far away good enough for your whole family to flush in the toilet. Okay, and then right now I'm going to show you the system. Okay, there's a shower tub, and take a shower, and there's a drain the water to the bottom. Okay, this is a water hose, plastic water hose, connect to the top, the drain on the top. So water hose, that's a plastic flexible water hose all the way to my backyard. Okay, all the way to my backyard. There's a water tank here. Okay, this is a 50-gallon tank. Okay, and there's a filter here. So before the water get in the tank, fill it up, make sure it's clean, so that way it won't clog the pipe. And you just open, make it open, and put a screen on it. Okay, this water tank, the water come out from the valve here. Okay, you can shut it off and turn it on, and the water come out to the bottom of the pump, water pump here, and the water pump, and then connect the pipe, water hose, plastic water hose, very cheap one, and all the way and change the color, change the red color pipe. Okay, all the way up back to the toilet and upstairs. Okay, I'll show you. All the way up to here. There's another water valve here, so you can shut it off, turn it on, and water hose going to the tank here. You can either way connect to the bottom, the way we used to get it connected, bottom of the tank, or you just hang on the top of the tank, toilet tank. The way you hang on the top of the toilet tank, the advantage is that you have two options: either use recycled water or use the fresh water. You turn on the fresh water, and sometimes you run out of used water, and you still be able to turn on the fresh water. Either way, okay. Very simple. And this is a sensor. Connect to the floating sensor, the level sensor. Okay. Here is the water level sensor. Here, or you just connect to the overload pipe. This is the overload pipe, the plastic pipe, right there. I just make a sample here. Okay, you just connect to the overload pipe. Alright, and when the water level going up, and you shut off the power to control box, and control box shut off the power to the water pump. When the level going down and the sensor going down, and it's continually. So you send the signal, you turn on the water pump, send a signal to control box, and turn on the water pump. And basically, you just use a hose clamp on the metal plate. Make sure the metal plate is plastic, and not the plastic, is make sure the aluminum. Don't use iron. Iron is rusty. Aluminum is good. You don't worry about the rusty. All you need is to put a hose clamp on it. Alright, and install to the toilet, the overflow pipe, send the overflow pipe, send the pipe, install there. Just use a hose clamp, very easy. Very easy. Okay. The bracket, very easy bracket. Alright. And then you can bend the bracket, adjust the angle, and you can, the hose clamp, you can adjust lower or higher, and control the water level. Very easy. Okay. Right now I'm going to show you the control box schematic. This is a control box schematic. Okay. This is a relay. This is a level sensor on the toilet. Alright. And use a 12 volt DC. You can buy the AC adapter, DC adapter, convert 110 volt to 12 volt. And the relay, and these are water pump. And water pumps connect to the 110 volt AC. Okay. So when the level sensor, when the water level low, the sensor closed. So DC, 12 volt DC, go to the relay, and relay is closed. Relay switch gonna close. When the relay switch close, and the water pump kick in, and water pump start to pump the water. When the level going up on the toilet, the flow sensor will open the circuit. So you shut off the DC, 12 volt DC to the relay, and relay switch open and shut off the power to the water pump, and water pump stop working, stop pumping. Very simple. It costs you about $10 this one, and a couple dollars this one, and maybe $10 this one, and water pump is about $20-something cheap. Okay, this is schematic. If you cannot work, you cannot make it, just let me know. I can make a box for you. Easy. And just give me a little bit of labor and pop. Alright. And there's an email address. My email address: B as a boy, Y, F as a friend, P as a Peter, at yahoo.com. Very simple. And right down here: B, Y, F, P at yahoo.com. Okay, I'm going to show you the control box. This is the control box. Alright, this is the relay. This is a 12 volt DC adapter. Alright, and this is a relay. Okay, very simple. And all you need to put, I take off the cover. All you need to put the cover back, and give me the safety. And one more thing, I want to let you know that the water tank. Okay, and water tank, you have to open a couple opening, and here is on the top. This is for overflow. If the water too full, and overflow to the pipe, okay. And on the bottom there's another valve here, just for cleanup. Just for sometimes you need to clean up the tank, so you can turn it on, drain all the water out. Alright, there's a little leaking here. Okay, and you can lift out a little bit, about 12-inch taller off the ground for the tank. It depends on you. Sometimes you don't need it, maybe. And most important, put a filter on and open the square here and put a screen on it. Filter out. Alright. Okay, very easy. And the wire power going down to the